The fuck is that noise, bro? What the fuck? Yo, little homie, you good, bro? What's up? Why is you punching yourself? What the
Bitch ass hiccup. Go away.
Bro, you don't have to punch yourself to get. Bro, hold your breath.
Do you think I'm trying that motherfucker?
Oh, little homie, don't kill yourself over that, bro.
Man, put some move.
Little homie, do not do that shit, bro. Just hold your breath. Stop.
I tried that.
You take sips of water. What are you doing?
I tried that, motherfucker.
You know what?
You can leave, nigga.
You know what? Fine.